Overproduction is one of the 8 major forms of waste. It occurs when materials or services and information are created earlier or in excess of the needed demand. Overproduction is oftentimes referred to as the deadliest form of waste because it directly causes and enlarges other forms of waste, while indirectly contributing to many other forms of waste. With this in mind, when a Kanban system is in place, upstream processes do not produce unless downstream processes receive some type of signal to produce. This means that production is controlled by the trigger and should not exceed the Kanban amount. Not only does this control production in-process inventory, it also minimizes the amount of transportation waste that occurs within an organization, and ultimately lowers all other forms of waste too. Remember though, Kanban is not the ideal. One-piece flow is. We'll see you in the next module.